So I just completed the spark plug upgrade on my 19 Veloster Turbo Ultimate. It's all done, nothing to see here. But, of course, I put in the 45XLs. Now this car only has 12,000 miles on it, probably 2,000 of those on the Lap3 93 tune. And I'm going to say it did some damage in those 2,000 miles to those plugs, to the original plugs. Increased the gap by about 200ths and definitely burnt the piss out of them. So cautionary tale, especially if you're getting a 93 tune, change the plugs right away. It started to sound a little weird, run a little rough, but she is back where she needs to be. And if you can hear the exhaust, that's a Borla axleback. So, all in all, kind of good now.